Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to ALN Studio tutorial 94. And today's topic is how to add an orbiting microdots animation in a network diagram in ALN Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture feature, and in the next pop-up you need to select system architecture diagram, because in ALN Studio you can create the network architecture diagrams using system architecture feature. So I have already generated my diagram for the basic network diagram for small office setup where there are few employees who would connect to a Wi-Fi router, and there should be a Wi-Fi wall modem in this way. And this diagram got generated in just next 15 to 20 seconds. Now we are discussing about the animation. So kindly go to the animation panel, click on the orbiting microdots, and you can see that now the dots have started orbiting around the edges, showing the flow of the diagram. So if you want to update the number of dots, you can do it from here. If you want to change the orbit radius, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot color, you can do it from here. If you want to update the travel speed, you can do it from here. And if you want to change the orbit speed, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a orbiting microdot animation in Airline Studio helps you make your network diagrams more interactive and visually engaging. So this is it for today's tutorial.